He's certainly taking after his big brother Look Shy and done very, very well since the birth. And Tongdi, Mum and Auntie Tip are all doing very, very well. So we're very, very happy with the girls and how they've reacted to the car so far.
Oh yeah.
Danielle, he blew his trunk down there.
Somebody had bubblegum.
What is he doing?
He's blowing his trunk and pooing everywhere.
Well, we're very excited that the calf is now on display, and he'll be able to be seen in this paddock here every day from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Well, on the 2nd of November,
look at the nipples on it. It's up the top.
At 3:50 p.m.
Oh,
that's weird.
What?
I never noticed that.
I didn't either. Like females.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Well, the calf is very, very strong. He's certainly taking after his big brother Look Shy and done very, very well since the birth. And Tongdi, Mum and Auntie Tip are all doing very, very well. So
No,
we're
that's
very,
his
very
trunk.
happy with the girls and
He's
how
blowing
they've
his
reacted to
trunk.
the calf so far.
See?
That was. Well, you see where a udder is or a tits? At the front.
Well, we're very excited that the calf is now on display. He'll be able to be seen in this paddock
Like
here
big
every
balls.
day from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m.
Don't eat it.
November,
Don't eat it. Yuck.
3:50 p.m. We welcome
Don't
Dubbo's
find
very
your
first
kid.
Asian
Yuck. He just ate his mummy's poo.
That tastes good.
Yummy.
Well, the calf is very, very
Yuck.
strong. He's certainly taken after his big brother Look Shy and done very, very